Welcome to the Batteries.com technical series of how-to videos and walkthroughs. Today we're going to learn how to replace the batteries in these Omega alarm replacement transmitters. If you have a key transmitter like these, you know what it means to have a dead battery and no access to your car. So we recommend putting fresh batteries in on a regular basis. We're going to need a few tools first. So before you start, find a small Phillips head screwdriver like this one, as well as a small flathead screwdriver. And as always, check with your user manual for any manufacturer's recommendations before you begin. The first step involves removing the retaining screw from the back of the controller with a Phillips screwdriver. Be sure to look around for any other screws that might be holding the controller together. Sometimes there may be more than one. Once the screw is removed, place it off to the side where it won't get lost. Finding a replacement screw could be very difficult with some of these models. Okay, next we will carefully pry the back off. If it won't come off right away, you may need to use the flathead screwdriver to help. Look for a notch like this one. Place the head of the screwdriver in that notch, and carefully twist the head to pry the two sides apart. There we go. Now remove the back slowly. You never know what's inside, and it helps to know where everything goes when it's time to put it all back together. With the back removed and placed to the side, it's now time to remove the batteries. Again, it might require a little help with a flathead screwdriver, but be careful not to gouge any of the electronics inside. You might also want to ground yourself by touching a doorknob or other metal object before you go digging around inside the device. A small static shock could fry the circuitry. Before we put the new batteries in, check the battery contacts for any dirt or debris that could cause a short. And again, feel free to check with your user manual for any tips on cleaning and care. Now we'll put the batteries into place. Be sure to check that the positive and negative symbols match up. Good. Now replace the back and snap it into place. Finally, replace the screw to hold it all together. Don't forget to test out your transmitter to make sure the new battery is working properly. And we're done. Hope this was helpful, and feel free to visit Batteries.com to find a wide range of remote transmitter batteries from Code Alarm, Prestige, Omega, and many more.